What if you could find out whether tech is right for you in just 7 days? No coding, no risk, no quitting your job. We've created an IntroWeek, a 7-day experience where you will step into a real world of QA engineering. Think of it as a test drive of your future career, and it costs only $20. Most people want to switch careers, but they don't know where to start. Tech feels complicated, expensive, and risky. That's why we've built IntroWeek, to let you try out the QA profession with zero risk and total clarity. IntroWeek is a 7-day hands-on experience inside of our school. 3 live webinars with a QA master with over 10 years of experience in QA. Real-world practical tasks using the most popular testing tools in the world. And even some interview preparation to understand what it will actually look like. IntroWeek is not a demo or free teaser. It's a real-world learning experience that usually costs hundreds of dollars elsewhere. But we made it accessible for everyone for just $20. You'll get access to our learning platform, live sessions, practice, and even some live mentor support. It will probably be obvious for you already, but just in case, it's the best $20 investment that you can possibly make in your career to see it from inside. IntroWeek is a perfect next step only if you have zero technical background but want to explore tech, want to understand what QA engineers really do, prefer hands-on learning experience, not boring theory. But if you're looking for something free with no effort, this is not for you. We work with people ready to invest in their future, even if it's just $20. We've been on the market for over 5 years. Thousands of students from more than 30 countries have studied with us. From week 1, you will work on a real US startup project, go through up to 136 rounds of interview if you go through the full course. You'll get full support with your resume and interview prep. We don't just teach, we fully make you job ready. 7 days, $20, zero risk. After this week, you will know for sure if QA is for you or not. And if it is, we will guide you from your first lesson all the way to your first job offer. Click link right below this video or tap a button on the screen. I'll see you on IntroWeek.